Hey you guys, I am in Big Lots and I figured I'd start off by showing you these. They have some gel memory foam cooling pillows, Sertas, with 2 in a pack for only $20. That is not bad, and this is like a king size pillow and literally $20. So let me see, I think they have different ones in here. There's a Simmons pillow, but I definitely would get these 2 Serta right here for only 20 bucks. And they even have a bunch of Serta mattresses, and you know these can be kind of pricey. Not bad. There's no sign up saying how much, but when I just asked the young lady, they even have the box springs too. When I asked the young lady, she said they range from $300 to $800. So if you're looking for a new mattress, they got them in at Big Lots. They are definitely getting ready for summer. They have all their fans. They're starting to put their fans out, and they usually sell out. This one is only $39.99. They usually sell out by the time the heat hits. You can't find a fan nowhere. $19.99. I remember one year I went to Home Depot and I couldn't find a fan for nothing. Okay, I was just passing this. Look at this chair. This is kind of cool, and it says it's an airflow gray recliner. I'm not sure what all it does, but it's $3.99. It has the cup holder. It's really soft. It rocks. It's like, I don't know, that looks kind of cool for only $3.99. I showed you guys some of their furniture in the other video. This set right here is $7.99. They have some nice stuff here. $7.99 for this leather set. They do have tables and beds. Okay, they got all of their like organization baskets and stuff right here. These are super cute. I really like this one. This one says rustic wood and wire storage bin for $12, and it looks like that. I like that one. These up here are on clearance for $8.40 with the wire and the cloth. These are $16 down here. Do you get a set of 2? I don't know. I don't think so, because there's a smaller one on the inside. And then they got all these over here. Lots of different designs and patterns and all kinds of stuff. Look at this one. It has a wood handle. It's kind of like basket woven. Then they even have the lighter one over here. Those are $12. So they got all different kinds. And right next to it, look at these. This is cute. These are only $7. It has this like little label on the side of it, and they got different sizes. This one is 8. They have the little handle, and then they have a bigger size down here for 10. I like those. Oh, they even have like the faux leather in the corners to match the straps. And then over here they got this kind, the canvas ones. I think I've seen these ones before. These are nice. Handcrafted canvas storage bins, $7. And that's for that size. Up here, the bigger ones are 8. Oh, 20% off. Yeah, I saw this one before with the rope handle. But 20% off of the storage. They got the tan color and gray. Really nice stuff. And then I see these new candles. This one is bamboo, and they are $8. That's a pretty jar. They also have jasmine bouquet. Look at that. And then this one is cranberry citrus. Those are really pretty. Here's another one over here. Patio agave cactus. I think that's how you say it, but those are pretty. This is $6. Then they got aloe woods. I like the containers. And they are 3-wick. And then they got these right here. Let's see, this one is, I don't see the scent. It just says Just Breathe Collection Scented Candle for $6. So I don't know what fragrance I get from that. It's kind of like an ocean breeze or something like that. It's really nice and light, but I like the jars on those. Here's some pretty shadow box type pictures. It has like canvas in the back with the metal. Is that metal? I think it's metal. Yeah, like a metal succulent, and that is $8. And I see the green, the blue, and then that style. Those are cute. Oh, here's some pretty new vases over here. That's kind of heavy. I don't want to try to pick that up. That one is 12. This one is 10. Really pretty. There's another one like that. That one is 12. It's just a different shape. Let's see. This one is 12. This is $8. And then this one right here is 15. Here is a pretty candle. This is pomegranate bouquet. I just like the jar on that one. That's nice. It's $5. This cute little picture that says be unique. And then here's some more little flower pictures. And what I noticed real quick, see that Paris theme that has the Eiffel Tower little tray? All of the Paris theme stuff right now is 30% off. So yeah, I've already went through all the Paris stuff in a different video, so just letting you guys know. But look at this. This is a candle holder. How pretty is that? Oh, I like that. And this one is $6. Yeah, they're both $6. I like those. And then most of this stuff we already looked at. And here is a few more things that we have already looked at. If you watched my previous videos, and this is like most of the succulent decor. I love all of this. I think everything is pretty. Okay, but what I didn't see last time I was here was this. I like how it has the beads on it. That's cute. And this is, it just says glass bottle, and that's $12. Hey you guys, I could not pass up this section. This is for the pets, but look at all of this. Look at this. Let me pull one off. They got squeaky toys for dogs. I'm sorry. Look at that. This is only $2.50, and it is a watermelon. They have a cute taco, and they're all $2.50. That one. They got a pizza, the poop, and ice cream. What is that, a fox? Look at this. They got Burrow interactive dog toys. So you got the pancakes with like a little dog, 2 balls on the inside. This one with the elephants. Pineapple for $2.50. I might have to grab my dog something. And then look at this croissant. And they do squeak. Here's a remote control. I don't want to squeak all of them. I'm tempted. Here is another interactive. It says interactive puzzle dog toy, and it has a little animal inside, and that's $7. Here's another one. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness. Here's this one. Then look, they even have this waffle with like the butter, and then there's, what's on the inside? Strawberries. Those are strawberries in there. And I think that's it. That's it. More pancakes. They even have pet outfits. Look at this little dress right here for $8. Fiesta, siesta, tequila, repeat. Oh my goodness, on a dog. Hug me, please. This harness with cactus on it. Margaritas made me do it with the little hat. Oh my goodness. You had me at tacos. I like the sombrero on those. And then this one, hot and spicy. Oh my goodness. For $8. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that bowl. And it's an owl. Let me try to turn it around without dropping it. That's $4. And that's an owl. That's cute. That's the only color I see. But then I was really looking at this one. I like the shape of this. That's cute. That was $5. And they are starting to pull out most of their summer stuff. This towel is really pretty for $7. It has popsicles all over it. And you got this one. The picture is different. It has surfboards, but then it has flip-flops and sunglasses. So, and these are $10. Pretty big towels. I'd rather be a mermaid. And this one has a shark. Oh, this one is really pretty. I like this one. That's nice. I like the colors. And then over here, they have their towels. How much are their towels? They kind of remind me of the ones at Walmart right now. These are $6. The ones at Walmart are way cheaper, but these are still cute. You get 2 in a pack. Hello Summer, Tropical Vibes, and that one. And then they have vinyl tablecloth for $4. You got yellow, turquoise, this pretty color, and that green. And then they have placemats. That's a pineapple, super cute. That's big. They have this one and some flip-flops, and these are $2.50. Over here they got some hanging hooks. They got all different ones. This is us. That's cute. Let's see, what are they going for? $12 mainly. I think I've seen this one before with the mail, to put the mail in. I like that one, and it comes with hooks, but they got all kinds. Over here in the makeup section, I don't really see too much, but I do see these hand creams. And this one is pineapple orange. I see strawberry cream. That one was around Christmas more than likely. Ooh, peach berry. And these are only $1. Let's see. And then watermelon mist. I wonder how those smell. I also see these lip smackers, Kiss Therapy. The only thing about that is I just recently purchased one of these. They have eucalyptus mint and the strawberry, but I purchased one of these at the 99-cent store for 99 cents, and they're $3 here. CoverGirl concealer. There's another concealer, a little bit of Almay, more CoverGirl, and that's pretty much it over here. It's kind of bare. Okay, they have all kinds of hand soap. It kind of reminds me of Bath and Body Works, like knockoffs. These are $1. I see fresh cotton, coconut lime, lemon citrus, peach, cucumber melon. Then I see down here, which should have been fall scents. It says limited edition, apple cinnamon, pumpkin harvest, mandarin spice. Oh, honey and almond sounds good. Ginger and pear. And they got a few more down here. Rose water and coconut grove. The honey almond sounds nice. And here's some more of their patio furniture. I really like that swing back there. That one over there. And it is $3.99, and it comes with a cover. The sofa is sliding off, but it comes with a cover for $3.99. And then this whole set right here, I like this as well. They have all of that, and then it has this canopy over it with the lights. That's really, really nice for entertaining. And some more stuff over here. And right here for $20, they got some really pretty indoor outdoor cushions. They got some nice patterns.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and most of this stuff we looked at the last time I was here, so I'm just gonna bypass most of this. If you missed that video, I will link it at the end of this one, because they do have all kinds of cute succulents. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I'm just over here by all of the kitchen stuff. But where was I just at? And I saw all these serving trays in this, just like this. Where was I at? Walmart, that's right. But they have a bunch of stuff here too. So okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you later. Bye.